Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. I have my friend Dominique joining me today because we are going to play a really fun game inspired by Don Quixote. Now, he made up this game because he does not like to sit around and wait. So while he was waiting one day, he decided to play a game. Now with this game, you make up the rules as you go. Are you ready, Dominique?
I am.
All right, so we each have a ping pong ball. We're gonna toss the ping pong ball and try to make it into that bowl. If we make it, we're good. If we don't make it, how about if we have to quack like a duck?
I can do that.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna toss mine first. Here we go. Oh no! Quack, 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 quack. All right, Dominique, your turn.
All right.
Oh no! All right,
Quack,
let's see it.
quack, 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 quack.
All right, now we're gonna switch up our balls and we're gonna use a bouncy ball now. All right, this time, if we miss, we have to bark like a dog, all right? Okay, here we go. Oh, it made it and bounced out. All right. Woof, 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 woof. All right, your turn.
All right.
Oh, let's see your best dog.
Arf, 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 arf.
We have one left. We have a little tiny bead. Now we're each gonna throw our bead, and if we miss, we both have to be donkeys like Don Quixote, okay? All right, here we go. Oh, I made it! All right, let's see what you got, Dominique.
All right.
Oh, hee-haw, hee-haw. What a fun game. I had such a great time playing with you. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.